Bravo 157, clear to land, runway 23, wind 270 at 10, gusting 15.
Cleared to land runway 23, X-ray Bravo 157.
X-ray Bravo 157, expect landing clearance shortly. You'll receive a first-class turnaround. We have a fully digital fueling operation.
Thank you. Look forward to a quick turnaround.
A quick aircraft turnaround is essential to enable airline efficiency and profitability. Refueling is a key part of the turnaround, and efficiency depends on seamless communication. Fuel suppliers and the interplane provider need to know aircraft tail number, arrival and departure times, stand, and the amount of fuel required. This information is needed in advance to ensure proper planning of resources in support of on-time performance. Let's see it in action. The fuel order is placed by the pilot or the aircraft's weight and balance systems. The interplane control center receives additional information to support their logistics planning. Data from the aircraft flight information system, the fuel truck, and other control center users. Fuel trucks transmit data on their whereabouts, giving the control center full visibility so they can allocate the best available resource to flight XB158. The aircraft is slightly delayed, but the control center is already aware thanks to an update from the airport flight information display system. The truck arrives on time and is ready to begin fueling. Fuel operators on the ground have connected tablets with real-time data on the aircraft they're refueling, including any last-minute changes. The operator can add additional information using simple drop-down lists. The tablet also receives data directly from sensors on the truck, eliminating the need for manual input and potential human error. As the aircraft is refueled, data is collected and shared back to the control center. This information helps monitor current status, identify trends, and record safety information. The tablet becomes the brain of the fueling, presenting process data to the operator and the team in the control center. This information allows the prediction of completion time, allowing the truck and operator to be efficiently allocated to their next job. Knowing the completion time helps other turnaround process participants, like passenger services, who can then better plan for onboarding. The data captured can also help others in the supply chain. The fuel supplier can manage their inventory more easily, potentially reducing working capital deployed. And the fuel farm manager can use the data to help daily stock management and reconciliations. Flight XB158 has now been refueled according to the order placed. The pilot is also connected and can request additional fuel if needed, directly from her tablet, even if not in the cockpit. After refueling, an electronic fuel ticket is created with the data collected during the process. The ticket can easily be customized to include relevant T's and C's relating to the suppliers, airport intermediaries, and country. The ticket is made available for authorization by the airline. That can be automatic by the weight and balance system or manual on the pilot's tablet. The refueling operator receives the authorization and the ticket is sent to the control center and the airline. It's always available as a digital document, eliminating the need for creating and storing paper tickets. Invoicing is simple, using the data from the digital ticket. As the airline has already received the fuel ticket, invoices can be validated automatically. This digital ticketing system can reduce disputes and discrepancies as the fuel delivery has been validated on site. In contrast to a manual ticket, which can feature illegible writing and errors, the digital ticket automatically has all the required information, reducing the opportunity for mistakes, eliminating manual data input and ticket filing. Eliminating paper and printing streamlines the process and reduces cost. The tablet's camera can be used on the ground for walk-around checks, ensuring the accurate recording of evidence for safety and maintenance checks. During the inspection, the operator notes that the hose is still connected. He responds appropriately, completes his walk-around, and confirms on his tablet. The control center can see that the truck has completed this job and is free for redeployment. Visibility of fueling truck location and status, as well as incoming fuel orders, means that resources can be optimally allocated in real time. Plus, with central visibility, supervisors can ensure compliance with HSSE requirements, like break times for operators. Over time, as data is recorded and aggregated, critical trend analysis can be carried out on things like differential pressure and flow rates, fuel delivery effectiveness, safety and maintenance, operator and equipment performance, and ultimately sales. Deployment of this innovation across locations enables efficiencies and cost savings for the entire aviation fuel industry. Up until now, particularly at low traffic locations, it has been viewed as costly and inefficient to set up digital fuel operations because of the complexity of the multiple gateways required to connect the parties. IT vendor hubs alleviate the problem, but are often limited in scope to their client organizations. But today, airlines, fuel suppliers, IT vendors, and ITPs are considering the creation of an industry hub. An aviation fueling industry hub would serve to connect all the individual organizations to airports and the current IT vendor hubs. This many-to-many connectivity aligns with the IATA PreTransaction standard.
X-ray Bravo 158, ready for takeoff, runway 29er.
X-ray Bravo 158, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, X-ray Bravo 158. Thanks for the quick turnaround. We are back on schedule.